Rochas has been quiet in the men's front for a while, but with recent releases with this guy right here that we're going to tackle today, and the return of Moustache, this one right here, the EDP, can we say Rochas is back in the fold? Well, we're going to see with this release right here, L'homme. I can't wait to discuss this one with all of you today. One thing's for sure, these things have a little bit of heft to them. Let's start doing some curls with some new Rochas bottles. Unboxing coming up next. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and giving a first impression on L'homme by the house of Rochas, their newest release in the men's aisle. Well, we're not really unboxing this one. It's actually a tester with cap. A great way to save money is purchasing these testers, even though they shouldn't be selling these, as the sticker states. Now, from the bottle design and the color and early returns that we see from reviews, is this their blue release, their blue fragrance in the men's aisle to compete with all the other ones? We'll see. They're a little late to the party, but we're going to take a look at it. Now, if you're new here, thanks for watching. Okay, subscribe if you haven't already and support the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Now, I'm also all over social media under my YouTube handle, Robes08. You can keep tabs on me with behind the scenes kind of stuff, what I'm wearing during the day, the night, new purchases, and what I'm working on specifically for this channel, because this is my hub. Now, if you have a Facebook account, great, you can follow me on there, but you can also join us on Fragrance Guru Nation, which is my Facebook group. We're up to 18,000 members in that group, where we discuss fragrances, new releases, people buy, sell, swap their fragrances, and it's just a great way to discover new things in our beautiful hobby. So let's get things started with why you clicked on this video. I'm going to sniff this one for the first time. Yes, this is actually a blind purchase, so I don't know what I'm going to get out of this. This is apparently their card in the blue game. Rochas as a brand surprises quite a bit with their releases. You think they're kind of like a lower tier designer brand, but then they release stuff like, of course, the Moustache EDP, which is absolutely fantastic. They have Rochas Man, which the bottle, of course, very popular in our fragrance community, but the scent itself ain't that bad. Monsieur Roussel, you're a genius. Among others, actually, Rochas has a pretty decent catalog. They don't release much in the men's aisle, but you never know what you're going to get. But let's open this one up. Let's spray this one. And again, everybody knows on the Robes08 channel, blue fragrances, they ain't my game. But I'm always in here with an open mind. Is the atomizer blue? No, it's black. Okay. So let's spray this one. Let's see what I get. All right, so blue fragrance. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a blue fragrance. Fruity up top. It's got some green herbal undertones to the fruit. The fruit itself. There's pineapple in this one. There's some blood orange. There's some citrus qualities here, but the pineapple and the blood orange kind of share the theme. Yeah, there's some green herbal undertones to the fragrance. It does have that synthetic and broxin. Is there even a broxin in the note breakdown of this fragrance? It has that synthetic, that blue crap. I hate it. I hate the blue crap. The fruits in here are nice. I like them. The greenness is also not bad. It almost has like I'd have to say like an old school barbershop, fresh citrus, clean vibe. It's got that shower gel, kind of like that Dylan Blue kind of feel. That's what it has, like a reminder of that. Not that they smell alike, but that DNA, that backbone, ooh, it's rough to like. Yeah, it's one of those that just, unfortunately, from the House of, you know what? They did really good with the Mustache EDP. I thought that one was a banger, and I can't wait to talk more about that one on my channel. This one, my excitement level is well below what Mustache is. I really think this is made for the people that enjoy Sauvage Bleu de Chanel, Dylan Blue, that are in that current trend, that are just starting their fragrance journey, that like this kind of stuff. To me, this is just so, there's nothing redeeming of this blue feel. I can't wait. Yeah, I know this is starting to end, this blue theme, but man, I can't wait for it to end. But what do I like? I like the fruitiness. And I know a lot of these type of fragrances, the fruities notes are very synthetic. And I'm not saying this is great by any means, but I really like the blood orange, pineapple, the green undertones, really nice. I think that's basil. Some juniper in here, a little bit of cardamom. Not that the cardamom is spicy at all. It doesn't really have that spiciness to it, but very much a mass-pleasing, versatile blue. You need one of these, but once in a, like, you guys are late to the party. Everybody's got a blue, probably several blues. So for me, it's gonna have to do some some magic on my skin for it to really step up. I really like this brand, Rocha. I feel like when they release something, it's actually half decent, so I will give it its due. I'm like I do with every brand, but the bottle design and the bottle itself, very heavy, kind of like Mustache. Like I was doing curls, and I'm really out of shape because these things were giving me a run for my money. But L'Homme by Rocha, exactly what the bottle kind of states, a blue release, which half decent opening, but I can't wait to put it on skin to see where this thing actually goes in the back end of the fragrance. Now that you heard my take on this one, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. As always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.